Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to show system information on your desktop. So it's called O&O DeskInfo. So there are many tools like this out there, but this one's actually pretty cool and it's free, and you could do some neat customization as well. So once you download it, it's just an executable, so there's nothing to install. So just put it somewhere where you want to keep it and just double click it to start it. And you can see here it shows your information on the desktop. So we have the username, so computer name with the username, machine name, which it matches up here, operating system, the version, the build, install date, processor, RAM, system type, network adapter type, connection type, your MAC address, IP address, CPU utilization, RAM used, and you have your local drive here. You can see some activity. Then you have your total space of your drives as well. Then if you go down to the system tray, you could right click on the icon. You have some options here. Let's say you want to copy this info to the clipboard. It won't paste it, but it'll be on the clipboard, so then you can just paste it in and you have your details there. Change your language. If you want to show your Windows product key, you could do that. Update the speed, have how often it's refreshed. Warn of unknown USB devices, show the drive activity, start with Windows. Then you have various settings here if you want to change the text color. Font size, let's say one a little bigger here. It takes a second for it to kind of kick in. There you go. Opacity, let's say you want to have it a little easier to read there. You could choose your network adapter or just choose the automatic option here. The position on the screen, and then how much information is displayed. So the default is default, but if you do full, you get a lot more information here. Might be a little too much to have on your desktop, but if you have empty space for it, you might like to see this information. So overall, it's a nice little program, and like I said, it's free to use and it might come in handy for you. So I will put a link in the description where you could download O&O DeskInfo and you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.